Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool looking Poley from Roblox Piggy. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my simple sketch underneath. And for Poley, we're gonna start out by drawing the hat first. So we're gonna draw in one little bar. So this is gonna be the width of the hat. Just draw a little bar first. And then right on the bottom here, for the visor area, just one smooth curve coming down. And then now for the top, so from this corner here, we'll slant up. Just come across, and then just leave some space in the middle. And then for this, we'll just draw one big peak. And that's gonna give us the shape of the police hat. And then for the details inside, just right here, just same angle here, right in the middle. And on the bottom here, just curve to the center. It's got that little badge there. Okay, so now that we have the hat, we can draw in the head. So we're gonna start from these corners here. We're gonna draw one big circle. I know these parts are always tricky to draw, especially these simple circular shapes. Okay, so just one big circle right underneath the hat. And then now for his nose, just right in the middle here, draw another circle. And then inside, just draw one more. So this is gonna be, this part's gonna be black. So just let me shade it in real quick. Okay, and then now for his eyes, just right here. Draw two circles. And now I'll draw in another small circle inside, and that's gonna be my highlight. And again, let me shade that in real quick. Okay, let me try to make this a little bit rounder. Okay, and then for his cheeks, just come out to the side right here. Just a little egg shape. So that's the face, and then now for his ears, just come out to the corner right here. Let's draw a little circle right behind the head. So just start right here behind the cap. And then again, another circle inside, and this part's gonna be black. Alright, so that's the head, and then now for the body. So it's got this police uniform here. So I'm gonna start right here, just draw two lines. This is gonna be shoulder and elbow, or shoulder and armpit right here. So just come down, and then we're gonna draw his waist right here, just squeeze it in. Just curve in and then come across, close that off. So this is gonna be his belt. Alright, and then for the details inside, it's very simple. Just right in the center, we're gonna draw his tie first. Just angle down and then close it off. And then for the bottom part, flare this out. And then just close it off with an angle. Okay, and then for the collar, come back to the tie. Just one little angle going up. And then it's got two pockets right here. So just from the side here, from the side of the tie, just draw in two little squares. And then for the details for the pocket, I know it gets pretty small. I'm just gonna add in two lines across. And it's got a little badge right here. I know there's not a lot of space right here. Okay, so just one line and then just curve down. Alright, so before we draw in his arms, let's go ahead and finish up his legs. So right in the middle right here, just come down, draw a little line across, and then we're going to draw in the inside of his legs first. So just kind of come down, make it a little bit wider. Now go back up here to the hip. Follow the same slant as this, come down, and then right at the bottom right here, I'm just going to give it a little bit of a bump. Okay, just side come down. And then on the very bottom right here, I'm going to add in two lines to show his shoes. Alright, so now let's go back up and draw in his arms. Let's draw in this one first, because this one's going to be holding the baton. Here's the armpit. Here's the shoulder. Curve down. And then for the rest of the arm here, just a slight bracket. Give it a slight curve and then close it off. So we're right around here. And then for his hand, here's his thumb, just hook it. One little line there for the inside of the palm. And then here's the back of the hand. And then for the fingers, we'll just curl down, just round it out and go back up. And then for the other fingers, we're gonna add in one little bump here. Okay, so now let's draw on the other side. So again, here's the armpit, here's the shoulder, curve down. It's one big bracket here. So right around here, we'll close it off. Okay, and then now this hand's a little bit different. But the thumb's almost the same. We just come down and just kind of hook it back up first. Here's the back of the palm, and then we'll close it off with a line here. And then we're gonna extend this line. Okay, and then on this side right here, right on this corner, we're gonna go out this way. So round out a tip. And then just come back, same slant as the other side. Just stop a little bit short. Now we'll go up and then just kind of close it off. So it's like a little angle. Okay, and a little bit more detail right here. We'll just add one more section. And that is it for this very cool looking Poley. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.